Alright guys, replaced the axle on this Mazda 3 2007. This does not have an ABS, so we pushed the axle out from right there. We took out the spindle. The hub here has a bolt here, nut and bolt. We took out the tie rod. We took out this bolt here. We took out the brakes and everything. The whole thing came down, and we pulled out. There's the old hub. So if you guys are gonna do this, it's gonna be a big job. Okay, so here we are, Mazda 3. We already got the bearing in there. You can see in there, new bearings in there. So this is the hub. I usually replace them together. Can you give me that old hub there? So just want to check something before I go any further. So this is for Mazda 3. Okay. All right, same thing. I was just looking at that little groove. So this is the old one. I was checking on that groove. It looks the same. So there is a small retainer in there, C-clamp. There you go. Nice and flush. Bada bing, bada boom. We're gonna take this baby onto the car. There you go. So I use this in the bottom. You got to put this in the bottom like that, so the bearing stays flush. It doesn't damage the bearing, because I have damaged bearings before. So let's take this onto the car. So the reverse procedure is gonna be, we're gonna stick this in here. We're gonna get this bolt in there, and then we'll push the control arm down and get everything in place. Once it's all done, I'll show you guys. Okay, so pretty much we took off this little guy, put greasing on it because we had to heat this baby off. 15 millimeter, you might have a different size, but that's what this is. Took out the tie rod, it had a cotter pin. I had to replace the bolt here, the nut, put a thread lock on that since we changed the different bolt. Took out the two 17 millimeters for the rotors, a bracket for the brakes, took out the rotor and brake pads, and the caliper is an Allen key. 8 millimeter or 10 millimeter. Let me see that size right there. This is a 7 millimeter. Okay, that fits there perfect. You do gotta pop these boots off, and you do gotta remove this retainer, but I put everything back together and you're all set to go. And that's how you're gonna do the bearing. Anyways, and there's a bolt back here. That's it. Thank you for watching.